Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Akinbola is guest speaking. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can carry out name reservation in just a very simple step. It's going to be a walkthrough video and I'm going to be spending 2 to 3 minutes to show you how you can carry out name reservation for a company on the CAC portal. With any further ado, let's go to my screen. And this is my dashboard and I hope to be able to do a countdown and do a name reservation within the next 1 minute to 2 minutes. Right, let's start. 1, 2, ready, let the countdown begin. Okay, so all I need to do is put in company here, put in private company limited by share, paste the name. I've already copied the name I want to reserve. Reason for it is new incorporation. Click on save and continue. Now what can make this thing delay is the payment. This is what can delay it, but let's hope I can finish this under a minute. Alright, okay, it's going. Oh, please move, yes. Okay, right now it's currently going through. So all I need to do is make payment. So let me put in my details. What's happening? The network. Okay, let's go. We can beat the 1 minute. All right, I'm waiting for OTP. Okay, yes, it's done. Yes, now done. All is done. Name reservation has been done. I believe I did it under a minute. Yes, I believe I did it under a minute. Name reservation has been placed. You can see that it's going to be showing me the details of the entity, the name I just reserved now, and it's going to be telling me that's most times it's advisable you do 2 options, right? And the reason why you should do 2 options is because 2 options will mean that when the name is being reserved and CAC gets to see the name, the first thing they will do is that they will check the first option, because the first option is your priority, right? That's what maybe you are really interested in. So once you place the first first option, they will check it. If it's not available, then they will go and check the second option and confirm if the second option is available. If the second option is available, they'll give you the second option, but your first option is the most important option of it all, right? So make sure you always use 2 options. Now the reason why I use 1 option is because I've done a proper name search and I'm very confident of the name I am dropping. That's why I am using just 1 option. But you can be so surprised that even with that, CAC can still deny the name depending on if they have any reservation about the name. You understand what I'm trying to say? So use 2 options always. Now the second key important notice I want to show you is that when you are making payments, there's possibility that the name will not move to reservation. So let me pending approval rather. So let me show you what I'm trying to say. And that happens when you have issue with network or payment. So let me go to dashboard. Once you are done paying, come to the pending approval or pending or query. Pending or query, right? Always come to pending and query to confirm what you have on pending and query. On that pending and query, you would see what the exact what you will see your name there. Let me click on it so that I see what I'm trying to say. Click on pending and query. You would see the exact name there. If it's on a pending and query, that means it has been submitted, right? It has been submitted to the CAC and is ready for processing from any point. So you can see the name currently showing. It's currently showing that it is submitted. But if you come to pending and query, if it's not there, then you have to come to not submitted, right? Check on not submitted. When you check on not submitted, you would see the name there. You see that I started one before I started making this video. You see it here. So all you need to do then is to come to check payment status and then click on check status of payment. You will see that it is already being processed. That's what it's going to show you, that the name reservation is already submitted successfully. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. Check again, payment processed already, name reservation submitted. So by the time you come back to this, you will no longer see it on non-submitted anymore, because the payment has been successfully made for that particular name. I don't know if what I'm saying is clear enough for you, right? So this is one of the ways you can resolve issues when it comes to name reservation at any point in time. These are the same names, Right, these are the same names, so that's why it's coming. I only made payment once. But you are seeing the two names showing up there. So I believe this video has helped someone at the minimum. If you are starting up your name registration and you're having issue with the payment being verified and all, this video is going to help you. And as well, if you don't know how to start the process of registration, this video is also going to help you. The next video you're going to be seeing is how to carry out company registration, right? You're going to be seeing my next video on how to carry out company registration on this side of the video, right? So once you are done reserving the business, the name of the business, kindly watch this particular video I'm pointing to, and then you can proceed with your registration of your company and your business name. Thank you. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel, and I'll see you in the next one.